I'm going on a 2-month trip. Hello. I'm a little sick. It is not COVID. It is a cold. But you read that right. I am going on a 2-month trip tomorrow. I have not packed anything. And I meant to pack yesterday, but my camera battery was dead. What the hell? This is freaking dead too. I figured I'd pack with you guys again because you keep me motivated and accountable. So let's pack. Before I get into packing, I want to say I bought some essential items for my trip on Amazon. Just a few things that I'm going to need throughout the 2 months there because some of the products that I use aren't there, which I don't even think I've said where I'm going, but I'm going to Mexico for 2 months. I have family there. I'm going to be staying with my grandma. She's been staying here with us. Her name is Mamode, so I call her Mamode. I'm going with Mamode, staying with her. I had to buy some things, so let me show you. Quick little haul before we start. Okay, got some gummy supplements for 2 months. This is 130 gummies, which you take 2 a day. So this should last me about 2 months. Actually, 130 divided by 2. Yeah, so 65 days. So this should be more than enough. So I'll be there for, I think, 61 days. So yay. Got another deodorant. I use men's deodorant. It smells really good. Old Spice, I don't know. Men's deodorant is the way to go. Unless there's like a good female brand that you guys like. But I personally like Old Spice. I got another Maybelline mascara. This is my favorite one. The waterproof one. Yay. My favorite Cantu curling cream. It came in a new bottle. This is new. I haven't opened this yet, but I got a little package. I just got workout bands. Wow, there's so many. I didn't expect there to be this many. I got them off Amazon. I think it was like not even 10 bucks. I'll link it down below. I really want to work out and I don't know if I'll go to the gym there or not. I figured having workout bands would be good and it comes in this cute little case, so I'll link it down below. I got 4 packs of the Mighty Pimple Patches. This is my favorite brand. I have one on right now. Essentially just sucks out all the disgusting juice. Ew, I don't like that. They get all the liquid out of your zits. So I got 4 packs. Maybe they have this in Mexico, maybe they don't, but I got 4. Those are the essential items that I bought. Let's get right into packing. I'm feeling so overwhelmed, so I'm going to start off with jeans because I just can't think. I'm overwhelmed. I don't even know what this is. Essentially, I just pulled out everything that I liked right now. Oh my god, this is so bad. I obviously need to fix what I just threw, but I feel like I'm bringing way too many things. I always say this during my packing videos, but I'm getting really overwhelmed. Okay, let me organize this and explain what is on the floor. let's do a little clothing tour. I believe I have everything. I just have to take out a cardigan. But I believe I have everything that I want to take clothing-wise here. This section is all the bottoms. We got 5 pairs of jeans and 3 pairs of shorts. 2 of them are kind of short, 1 of them is longer. I probably won't use these that much, so I might take out 1 of them. But anyway, that's that. Right here in this section is the workout clothes. I have 5 sets of everything. So 5 pairs of leggings, 5 shirts, and 5 sports bras. Which reminds me, I'm going to get out a pair of biker shorts. Perfect. Pair of biker shorts. Now right here, this middle section is all my shirts. I believe there's about 16 or so. I don't even know. And then right here, these 2 are just dresses. So 2 dresses here. And then over here, these are 2 jean jackets, 1 in black, 1 in denim. And then this is a sweatshirt. This is like a quarter zip. And then these are a pair of PJs. And then underneath here are 2 jackets. I'm kind of nervous to pack all this. I don't know. I feel like it's not enough, or maybe it is. So I think I have basically everything. I'm going to bring 3 bras and 14 pairs of underwear. Oh, and I need socks. Let's get socks. I think I'll bring about like 10 pairs of socks. I got my socks. I'm only bringing 10 pairs because I'll probably wear a lot of open-toed shoes. I like wearing like flip-flops and stuff, so... Alright, I'm trying to think of like the best way to do this. It's kind of hard, I feel like, but I think I'm gonna get my shoes as well that I need to bring, and then I'll start filling the bag. Alright, how do I do this? I feel comfortable. And I'm probably like wrinkling all my shirts right now. I still have like 10 pounds. Okay, so I have all of the liquids and stuff that I need to pack still. So let's start doing that. I need to have 2 months worth of contacts. This is a 90-day supply. I need about like 65 days, so I need to remove some, you know. Gotta make sure I have enough weight. So we're gonna remove, this has 10 and 20, so that gives me 70, and then I'll remove a row. So there we go. So I just removed 25 contacts, and that should be enough. I really can't count. Coolio. And then let me make sure that I'm taking the right ones. So this one is my left eye. Perfect. This one's my right. Yay, 2 months worth of contacts. Ugh, I have so many things I need to fit still. Actually, I realized I should go through my checklist for clothing. I got my shirts, jeans, shorts, the biker shorts, I only did 1. Socks, underwear, I did PJs, the sweatshirt, cardigan, I still need to get the white cardigan. But I did do the jeans. Ooh. Daniela, what am I doing? The white cardigan, and then the shoes, I just need to put in the other 2 pairs. Okay, all right, so clothes is like basically there. Okay, now we're gonna do the toiletry items. I need to pack a bunch of like liquid items, so I'm really hoping that I can squeeze 12 pounds of that into this bag. If not, I'll just bring a duffel bag and remove some of my clothes, so it should be fine. Okay, let's get to packing. Okay, so you've seen this bag so many times in my packing videos. It's a clear Vera Bradley bag. I'm gonna put majority of my toiletries in here. Bringing this too because I'm sick. Like a pound or 2 left in my bag. Do I get another bag? Or should I remove stuff? I don't know. Since I'm missing a few items and my mother still has to bring a few items herself, I'm gonna bring an extra carry-on. So let's fix this. essentially everything is packed. Now we have my other personal carry-on item to pack. This is gonna be my tech bag, literally. I have so many things I need to bring. So first things first, my iPad, work laptop, personal laptop. It already feels heavy. And that all fit in this zipper back here, which is pretty nice. Lisi hard drive. I use this to edit my videos. This UTech Smart adapter for my computer. My Canon charger with an extra battery. My wallet. A charger for some of the Apple products. Another charger. This little mini wallet, so I don't have to bring my pesos everywhere. Like, it can just be in this little thing. But this is empty right now. And then these Purell wipes, because the plane is gross. Oh, my passport. Cute little passport cover. Do you like it? Okay. I think that's essentially it.